Today, let us make yummy blackberry jelly. Blackberries are available from July to September end for a very short period of time. If you want to preserve those, we can make jams and jellies out of it. Today we are going to make blackberry jelly. First I am going to collect fresh blackberries from the bushes. These are organic blackberries, but we have to be a bit careful because there are a lot of thorns to it and there can be insects. After collecting, we have to wash it with cold water many times because there are dust, dirt and dried leaves may be there or insects may be there. Blackberries is considered to be a superfood. It reduces LDL cholesterol, it is helpful in kidney function, it removes toxins from the body, it is anti-cancer, improves heart function, and it has got a lot of vitamin C. So very helpful. It is highest vibrational food. After washing and draining, we have to put it in the blender. Here I am using my Vitamix blender. Put little bit of water and blend it thoroughly. Here I am trying to remove the seeds, so I am trying to get the pulp from it. So I am blending it. So strain it properly to remove the seeds. Take the help of a big spoon and extract the juice from it. I am collecting all the juice and removing the seeds. Put minimum water so that after boiling we have to reduce it minimum. So add the sugar according to your taste. If blackberries are sour, you will require more sugar. Otherwise, if they are sweet, less sugar is required. Then put all the juice in a kadhai and boil it. After boiling for some time, 10 minutes or so, it will start reducing, and now see, it has become a thick liquid, vibrant color we have got. And put it on the plate and see how thick is it. You can see already it is thick. After cooling it, I have put in mason jars, and this is the jelly ready. Now you can enjoy it.